Good afternoon. Today is Tuesday, January 21st, 2020. My name is Ricardo Sandoval. This video is for week 1 for Biology 230. The abdominal area is here. If there are flesh on the skeleton, you would see the stomach, the liver, pancreas, large and small intestine, things that would form the digestive system. The acromial or acromion process is here. These two bones here that form part of the shoulder. The antebrachial space is this inner portion or inner aspect of the forearm. So this is the antebrachial. Axillary or axilla refers to the armpit. So there we go. The brachial space or brachial, excuse me, is right here. Just right in front of the antecubital space where I would put an IV, just right there. Brachial is kind of also where the brachial artery is and taking a blood pressure. Buccal is the interior of the cheek. So if there were a cheek here, the buccal space would be here. Let's see. The calcaneal or calcaneus is the heel bone. So that's that. The carpal. This refers to the wrist bone. So there's our wrist. Wrist bones are here. Cephalic refers to, I guess, the head or head position. So this is cephalic, this way. Cervical. The cervix on a woman is part of her reproductive area. So kind of around here. What dilates when she's going to give birth. The coxal, or the coccyx, is kind of around here. Coxal. The crural refers to the leg or the thigh, so this is our crural area. Digital refers to the finger, so crural, I'm sorry, digital, not crural, and more digits. Femoral, the femur. So this is the femur or the femoral here and here. These two large bones that connect to the pelvis. The fibula is this thin bone or fibular. So fibular, fibula. Frontal, this is the frontal view of the body, the front view of the body. You are looking at me from a frontal view. Gluteal refers to our backside, the gluteus maximus, the buttocks. So that be here. The hallux is the big toe. So on the skeleton, this is the hallux, the largest and longest of the bones. That's the hallux. Inguinal would be the groin. So on a male or me, kind of the groin is here, right around the penis, around the male reproductive system, or even the female, we have a groin, or the inguinal area. The lumbar refers to the lower back, where most people, including myself, have back issues. So this is the lumbar area, kind of down here. The manus refers to the hand, so manus, and manus on the skeleton, manus. Mental, I'm assuming means the brain, so there we go. Nasal, of course, means the nose. Occipital, or the occipital bone, refers to this area here, the occipital. Let's see, olecranal, or the olecranon, refers to the elbow. So this is my olecranon on this model. Here we go, the olecranal or olecranon. Oops. Oral, of course, refers to the mouth, so this is oral. Orbital refers to the two eye sockets here. Otic refers to the ears, so here and here, this is otic. Palmar, so the palms, palmar. Patellar, or the patella, the kneecap, so that's a patellar, or patella. Patellar, patella. Pedal refers to the feet, so pedal and pedal again. Plantar is the sole of the feet. If you've heard of plantar fasciitis, this is where it happens, plantar. Pollex is the thumb, so this is my pollex on this model. This is the pollex here. Popliteal is right here. This is the popliteal area. There's also an artery here, the popliteal artery. Sacral is the sacrum. This bone here, this is your sacrum. Scapular, the scapulae, the shoulder blade. So scapula, scapula. Sternal, or the sternum, where our ribs connect to. This is the sternum here. Sural refers to the calf of the leg. So where there's flesh, this is the sural and sural. Tarsal, this is the tarsal area here. Tarsal. Thoracic. Thoracic, the thoracic cavity is protected by our ribs. It contains the heart, the lungs, aorta, other vital organs for life. Umbilical is the umbilicus. So assuming the stomach would be here, we have our belly button, the umbilicus. And then vertebral is the vertebrae. And that's vertebral.